Okay, we are going to follow these 4 steps, and then we can look for potential entries in the week. So far there has not been a single entry that I've taken. I've not taken any single trade this week, so let's just go through it and then we can see. Okay, the week's agenda. So last week, or the last few weeks, we've been very bearish. As you can see, we took this liquidity on the monthly, and then we are going down. We made this lower high as well, so we are looking to come to this level here. We are looking for this monthly liquidity to maybe be taken, and we can go downwards towards these fair value gaps or something like that. So let's go to the weekly. The analysis, normally it doesn't take a lot of time. Actually, it's the patience to wait for your entries. That's where the task is. Anyway, so last week, let's plot the prior week high, prior week low, to know what we are looking at. Prior week low. Remember, if monthly we are selling, let's see, on the weekly we mitigated this fair value gap, we came down, we didn't take anything here, so we are still looking for sales. Okay, because we have no reason to go up. We've not yet been the sales have not yet been discredited yet, so I'm still looking for sales here. You see, the week before we came down. Even last week I was looking for sales. There were also entries for sell entries. Even if a candle closes bullish, that doesn't mean that there were no bearish trades. Okay, so this week, as we can see, we're still bullish. Say we took this liquidity, we formed a lower high here. Okay, so I'm looking for this mitigation and then we go down. So on the daily, let's see what has been happening this week. Since Monday, so far there was a fair value gap here. This, we can see, this is also an order block here, but I'm not going to dwell on that because it doesn't make a difference for me. So we've seen the week's agenda. We are looking to go down. We are currently in a pullback phase. We are currently in a pullback phase. There is a fair value gap here in the daily, so we are currently pulling back and then we resume the trend. This is the fair value gap I was talking about. What is our week's agenda? This week I'm looking for price to start making to market structure shift on the 1 minute, and then we resume. So our TPs could be any of these lows. Okay, so this is our first liquidity pool, prior week low. We've gone above prior week high, and then sasa we resume. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so let's mark our buy side liquidity and our sell side liquidity. I like to mark out the Mondays because they set the pace for the whole week, so I need to know where we are compared to where we started on the week. Okay, buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. So we took the sell side on Tuesday and we were actually bearish, took sell side, and then we made a market structure shift here. This one. market structure, and as you can see, we are still bullish on the 1 hour. Remember, if we are looking for sales, we need to see the 1 hour bearish. Okay, so at the moment there are no, you cannot take any bearish trend entries, because the one, you see the 1 hour, we have market structure shift here, another market structure shift here, you see. So we want to see any close above this, below these lows with the market, with the fair value gap. I normally like to use the ICT 2022 entry model, of which is actually basically a market structure shift paired with a fair value gap on the 1 hour. Okay, so if market drops below this yeah, with a fair value gap, that is a good entry, and we can target these lows, or even, yeah, we can target these lows, any of those. We don't necessarily have to come down to prior week low. No, if it makes a market structure shift, we want to see it go down. So that's basically it. Our Sunday open was here. We are already above Sunday open, so we don't necessarily have to wait for this liquidity to be taken, the buy side liquidity. It could, but it doesn't have to be taken. Okay, so that's just about it. We are still waiting. On the DXY, let's look at the monthly. We took this. We are currently bullish. You can even see this one. This is our range, our monthly range. We took this liquidity. We are currently bullish. Okay, we also made a higher low here, so we are looking to come and take this higher, this liquidity pool. So we could mark this is the monthly liquidity, sorry, the weekly, wow, weekly liquidity. And then we mark out our prior week high, prior week low. These are our liquidity pools. Technically, yeah, these are our liquidity pools as well. Prior week high, we're done. So remember, we are still bullish. On the weekly, we are still bullish, and we don't trade against the trend. Okay, so after we've marked this out, let's go to the daily. Let's see what the daily is doing. What has it been doing this whole? You see, on the DXY, it's so clear. Like, we are currently, look at the institutional order flow. We are mitigating here and then going up, making a fair value gap, mitigating this. So what we don't want to see is this swing low taken. If this is taken, this means we are now shifting to the daily market structure has shifted if this is taken. Okay, but so far so good. I don't see any, we've not yet been invalidated on the sales, on the buys on the DXY, because we still, there's no fair value gap here formed as we make this pullback. So we are currently on the pullback phase of the bullish trend. Okay, and you can see here there was a fair value gap that was mitigated. This fair value gap, even if it closed, has it closed? It hasn't closed. Yes, it closed below, but that doesn't matter yet. That doesn't invalidate our bias yet. Okay, so we can look at, wait, where's our prior week high and prior week low similar? It's like one candle. Oh, because it was just it was not moving. This was Monday. Yes, it was just ranging. Let's say it was just ranging most of the times, but there were a few trades, that potential trades that could have been taken. Although we don't trade the DXY, we trade it against the other pairs with USD cross. Okay, so we are still bullish here. We go to the 1 hour. Let's mark out our buy side and sell side liquidity. That is our Monday highs and Monday lows. Those are very, very important. This is our sell side liquidity here, because Monday gives us like our can you say comparison? It's like this is midnight on Tuesday, so we can just say this is our high. Like Monday gives us an overview. Where are we in the market? Like what are we doing this week? You know. And so far we are bearish on the, as you can see, we are currently moving downwards. Even this one, we are currently very bearish on the on the 1 hour. Let's mark this out. So very, very bearish. So we are yet to take any bullish trades. So we are still bearish as well. We took this high. We are looking to take these lows here. But you see, it's kind of, look, it's been like consolidating around this area. But since it's on the monthly, we can still find trades on the lower time frames. So on the weekly, we took this, we made a lower high. So I'm looking for mitigation and then go down, of which we've already mitigated here. There was a tiny fair value gap here. That's why the market came and made a swing high here. It mitigated this as well, made a swing low. It mitigated this, so we are looking to come down. Okay. Like, don't overthink this. This, you just, what you see is, don't overthink it. So this is our prior week high, prior week low. So you see, in all three pairs we've already taken prior week high, and that's why I'm saying if we've taken prior week high, we've already taken the liquidity that was needed. There's no need of double taking the liquidities. Like let me show you. So you can see it came towards this level. You could say this is like a resistance area, but I don't use that. So we've mitigated this fair value gap, and I'm looking for, you see, it doesn't even have there's no pressure here to go up. And at the same time, during this pullback, there was no fair value gap that was created. So that gives me a lot of confidence, because even the time used from this high to this high, from this high here to this low, they were very like, look, it's just like 2 big candles. Look at this, and we've not yet even come to this high. So we see that we don't have a lot of pressure to go up. Okay, so that is also another confirmation that we are currently very bearish. we are on the pullback phase, which is okay. The market goes in phases, indication, pullback, and then continuation. So this is an indication, pullback, continuation now. So let's go to the 1 hour and mark out our buy side and sell side liquidities. I like to mark out those liquidities as Monday highs and Monday lows. This is our buy side liquidity, and this is our sell side liquidity. So what I was saying is this, and you can also include Sunday open if you want, but it doesn't do much for me. So we opened actually on the prior week high, so I don't even need to add it there. Like Sunday open gives you the power of 3, where we are, have we manipulated, or have we finished manipulating, you know. And so Sunday open is the same as prior week high. So we can see we took prior week high and then started falling down. Okay, so I'm not looking for the market to come again and take this buy side liquidity. I don't expect the markets to come this high and take this. No, it already took prior week high, and that was okay for the week. So right now, once we took this, we started making, this is this is a market structure shift here, but our internal market structure is currently, let me just mark this. Because this is the high that was made. So this is our market structure shift. But look, the internal market structure shift, the micro, this is our macro market structure shift. We are currently bearish, but our internal shifts, there's internal market structure shift here, which claims that the internal, we are in a pullback of this leg. Okay, this leg, this buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity is our current range on the 1 hour. Are we together? This is our range right now, and the market is showing us that we are currently on a pullback. Internal liquidity, internal market structure shift. See, we made this with fair value gaps. We made another market structure shift here, an internal market structure shift here. Okay, and so our internal, this is our current range internally. So we need the market, the internal market structure shift to actually realign with this bearish trend, so that we can look for our entries. Okay, so we wait, let's see if this one closes below this one, or even makes this fair value gap to show us that we are currently now looking to realign with the trend, and then we can look for an entry on this fair value gap. Our stop loss will be here. Targets, you can target any part of here. You can target this liquidity, this fair value gap, this one. You can target the end of the fair value gap. You can target this. It doesn't necessarily have to come down to this. If it comes to this, well and good, but we are currently looking at these liquidities here, this one and the fair value gap and this lower one. Okay, so let's be patient. In the next 1 hour we'll have our results, and I'll see you then. Goodbye.